Hi everyone. In the last video we learned HTML forms. We created a input boxes and a submit button. But you may be thinking, how does the browser know? This is email, this is a password, and this is a checkbox. The answer is a input type. So today let's learn HTML input types step by step. So input type tells the browser what kind of data the user will enter. Different data, different input types. So input types is like an instruction for the browser. So first input type is text. This is a normal text. Here input type is text, and inside that you can put any alphabet like name, city, username, something like that. And that second input type is email. So in this email you can enter your email. Email input checks if this is a valid email or not. Browser helps us here. So browser becomes a strict teacher. So third input type is password, and the type is password. Password hides the text. So if I write something here in my password, you can see you are not able to see whatever I am typing, because password is a private. So third input type is a number. So it will accept only number. If I am trying to put alphabet, I'm trying to put alphabet, but it's not taking. So it will only take the numbers. No alphabet is allowed. So the fifth type is checkbox. So checkbox is used when multiple options are allowed. Like we have to check this one, this one. So you can check and uncheck like multiple things. So third type is radio button. So radio button, the input type is the radio. Radio button allows only one question. Same name, one choice. Like here we can choose male or female. So third input type is a date. Browser shows what so browser shows a calendar, very easy for user. If I'll click here, it will show the calendar and you can choose any date from here. So third input type so next input type is a file. So using this we can upload any file. If I'll click on choose, so you can upload any file here. You can upload any file here. See, you can see that the screenshot is attached. And the last input type is submit. Submit button sends the form. Without submit, form goes nowhere. So in HTML input types helps the browser, but HTML does not save the data. For that we need backend or JavaScript. So that's HTML input types. In the next video we will learn HTML semantic tags. Those are very important for modern website and SEO. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching.